The auto industry's version of trickle-down economics says today's six-figure almost limos foreshadow tomorrow's entry-level premium cars and next week's middle-class sedans and family crossovers. So it's no stretch to say that, at least for this fleeting moment, the 2019 Audi A8 sits at the vanguard of the changing auto industry with its hybrid powered rain assist as standard equipment and a longer list of production vehicle firsts. The fourth-generation A8 will introduce drivers to a truly active suspension, a 48-volt primary electrical system, and, in select markets, Level 3 autonomy, by which Audi becomes the first automaker to sanction hands-free, Facebook-till-your-face-melts driving. And yet all of that seems like peanuts when measured against the fact that this new A8 will happily rub even the funkiest feet after a grueling game of badminton, courtesy of a built-in rear seat foot massager. All A8s, regardless of market and engine, will feature some form of hybrid assist. In most versions, this manifests with a 48-volt alternator, starter connected to the engine via the accessory belt. This unit, which is paired with a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 and an 8-speed automatic in the base A8 and is good for an estimated 340 horsepower, can't move the car under electric power alone. Instead, it boosts efficiency by widening the window to use automatic engine stop-start and increasing the amount of energy recaptured while coasting. Auto stop-start can shut down the engine from the speeds as high as 14 miles per hour and now uses the camera to read the car's surroundings. For example, the A8's engine will restart when the vehicle ahead begins moving, even if the driver's foot remains on the brake. Between 34 and 99 miles per hour, the A8 will coast for up to 40 seconds when the driver lifts off the accelerator pedal. The brand makes no apologies for its militant adherence to minimalism, but there is technical beauty if you peer into the lighting elements. The full-width tail lamp glows with 217 LEDs, while the matrix beam LED headlights, they can tailor the beam around an oncoming car, also feature a laser element that is turned down in intensity to meet US regulations. Audi's flagship continues to be built around an aluminum-intensive space frame, although you will find steel in the A and B pillars, a magnesium strut tower brace under the hood, and a large carbon fiber panel serving as the parcel shelf and bulkhead between the trunk and the rear seats. The US market only will receive the long wheelbase A8L, which stretches 208.7 inches bumper to bumper, an increase of 1.5 inches on the outgoing car. The biggest design change appears inside the cabin, where Audi's MMI infotainment system trades its large control knob and best in the business interface for a second touchscreen at the front of the center console. The lower screen primarily serves the climate controls, but it doubles as the address and point of interest input for the navigation system. In this capacity, it can display either a keyboard or a vast blank slate for drawing letters and numerals with the finger. While previous iterations required you to pause after each scribbled character, the new version allows you to write fluidly, either moving left to right across the screen or simply drawing each new letter on top of the last one.